Hey everybody, Tom here from Army Roofing. We just finished another re-roof in Delta, BC. We removed the old shingles, pulled out all the roofing nails. We prepared the shiplap roof deck. We sheeted it with 3/8 plywood. Synthetic underlay down, all new vents. New 50-year shingles. Roof looks amazing. Just needs a little time to flatten out. But the homeowner's very happy. We also did the little kitty house there. And we just did his shed too, so that everything matches color. So if you're in the Delta, BC area or in Lower Mainland, British Columbia, give us a call, 778-686-7663. Or you could visit us at armyroofing.com and fill out a submission form for a free estimate. We'd be happy to pop by and give you a quote. But yeah, the roof looks amazing. We couldn't get metal underneath that siding. The siding was so brittle that we couldn't pull on it to put new flashing there, so we just reused the old stuff. But everything looks amazing. As you can see, that chimney has brand new flashing underneath it. And in that valley there's metal underneath that pig valley, and we also added EPDM. Looks like it's draining pretty good. It's raining out right now, so that gives us a sense of what it's doing. But yeah, we're very happy with this roof, and now we're off to the next job. So we'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.